Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the Google Translation feature within your Google Chrome. So let's go ahead and open up Google Chrome here, and on the top right hand side where you have these three dots, you simply want to click on it and go to settings. Then on the left hand side you will see languages. You want to click on that, and this is where you have all your languages set up for Google Chrome. Now if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you have a section here that's called Google Translate, and I have it on, and here you can see translate into this language that I currently have English as my preferred language. So whichever language is your preferred language, you want to simply go ahead and add it, or you can also add other languages as well. Now that you see that it's on, let me show you how to actually use it. Now I'm going to simply open up a different tab, and as I'm currently living in the Czech Republic, I'm going to simply type .cz, right, and click enter, and this will find me a bunch of websites which are in the Czech Republic. So these websites should most likely in the Czech language. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to just simply open up any one of these websites, right, as these websites should most likely be in the Czech language. Now once you're on the website, all you have to do, guys, is just simply right click on it and click translate, and you can easily translate this into your preferred language. So it will detect and it will translate the website into English for you. So as you can see, it's detected and it's translated into English for me. There you have it. Everything is now translated into English. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.